Hi guys, welcome back to another video in this channel. Today we have a very special video because today we're gonna be announcing the winners for the Fan of the Month. So as you guys might remember, earlier this month we revealed that there were gonna be a lot of new things going on in the channel, and we have three important events. The first one is the weapon design concept, or the design contest, which in this case is a weapon design contest that's gonna be running all through September. It's been running all through September and will continue running all the way until the end of October. So we're gonna share the details for the submissions in the upcoming weeks as well as the prices. So stay tuned here on the channel for that. If you wanna go back and check, we have a special instructions or the guidelines that we're gonna be evaluating on the delivery. It's just a render of a concept that you design yourself. I actually did a design process last Saturday that might be useful for some of you that might be struggling with some of the ideation process. So that one's still going, and we're gonna have some winners over there. Now we're also gonna have the winner. We're gonna have three winners. I believe we said three winners for the mailing list. So if you're not subscribed to the mailing list, this is your last chance for this month to subscribe. You should find one link down here in the description of the video over here, and if you go to that link, you should be able to register your email so that you get the news and the information that we send. We promise we don't spam things. We don't send a lot of emails. We just let you know when we have new courses being released, and you could be the lucky winner of one course of your choice. We're gonna be picking three. Those three will be selected randomly, of course, and we're gonna notify them directly. So there's not gonna be an announcement right now because I actually don't have the control over the mailing list. That's Nalin who's gonna be in charge of that, but he's gonna be contacting three lucky winners this month for the free course of the month. Now we also have the Fan of the Month, which is going to be awarded to one lucky commenter of the channel. So throughout the month we've been releasing videos, promo videos, the normal tutorial videos, review videos, opinion videos. If you commented in one of those, then today you might be the lucky winner. I'm gonna do this live again to try and keep this as fair as possible for everyone, and this is how I'm gonna do it. First of all, I'm gonna go and switch to my channel, which by the way we reached. I totally forgot about this. We reached 29,000 subscribers in the last couple of days. We're at 29,159 subscribers. So that's a ton of subscribers. Thank you guys. Thank you very, very much for all of the support. And thanks to that, this is why we're doing this sort of giveaways, right? So I'm gonna go here to the content. Let me just make sure that we're not getting any, or there's no information that you guys shouldn't be seeing. I don't think there's any right now. But here's the content. I'll just quickly show it to you guys. And here's all of the videos that we've been submitting for the past couple of, for the last month. So what I'm gonna do is as follows. I'm gonna count how many videos we released on September. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 videos. We selected, or we, we submitted 25 videos throughout the month. I'm gonna be selecting three random videos from those 25, and I'm gonna roll a die so that it's all fair and square. And then once we get there, I'm gonna see how many comments we have right here. So as you can see, we have the amount of comments, and depending on the amount of comments, I'm gonna leave this here. I don't think there's any information that you guys shouldn't see. Hopefully I'm not sharing anything that they shouldn't. But yeah, so as you can see, here are the videos, and let's roll the die. So unfortunately, there's not a 26-sided die, so I'm gonna roll a D100, and we're gonna roll it until we get a number between 0 and 25, okay? So let's go right here. And 91, that's not the one. 87, no. 71, no. 44, no. 13, there we go, 13. So again, as you can see, I'm going all the way down here. This is the first video on September. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13. So it was the portfolio review number 24. It's going to be the lucky selected video this time around. And as you can see, we have 14 comments. So I'm going to roll a D20. And again, the first number that is between 1 and 14 will get the first prize. And we get 10. Perfect. So let's jump into the video. Whoop. Let's watch it. Where is it? There we go. So we're gonna watch the video, and down here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a problem because it says that we have 14 comments. I did not account for the fact that we had the replies. So let's just count the amount of comments that we have here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're gonna roll a d8. Sounds fair? Hopefully this is sounding as fair as I want. We're trying to, again, make this as random as possible. I know I can do some selecting stuff, but there we go, number 7. And the Bagus Mars, congratulations, my friend Bagus. You are the first winner of a course of your choice from all of our library. So we're gonna be contacting you through our mailing list. Make sure you are subscribed to the mailing list. Otherwise, I'm gonna be providing this number to our team who's in charge of all of the things behind the curtain, and they're gonna contact you so that they can confirm it's you and give you a link to your free course. The links, by the way, guys, the links that we give away are usually only valid for, I think it's 5 days. So make sure you redeem it real quick. Like, make your mind, select whichever one you want, and once you have that one, go for it, because it might expire, and we don't want that to happen. So there we go. That's the first one. Let's go to the next one. So we again have the D20. Let's roll this again until we get a number 20. There we go. That's a nice number. Let's go back here, and we're gonna count again. So all the way down here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This one right here, the Sculpting the Mouth Forms, which is one of the other series that's going on right now. Let's view on YouTube. Let's go down here. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 available students. By the way, if the name repeats, you will not be eligible. We'll let other people win as well, okay? So let's roll a d6, and we get 2. Number 2, and that, my friends, is Varjasin. There you go, Varjasin. He was talking about animation in Maya as an advanced course for like facial rigging expressions. Well, there you go, Varjasin. If you want to check one of the, I did one animation video and a rigging video. If you want to download or be a part of that one, then you are the lucky winner of the second Fan of the Month award. So you are our fan this month, and you get a free course. Make sure to contact the team. The team will be contacting you as well, but if you don't hear from them, I'll send just a small little email to them, and they'll be happy to help. And now let's go for the final one. There we go, right here, 89. That's not between 1 and 25, and we get 11. There we go. So again, we count from the bottom up. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Again? No, that could have been right. We had 10 before, right? Did I count wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. There we go. 11. So it's this one right here. So the first portfolio review, or it was just an upcoming information. We have a lot of comments here. So let's see how many like original comments we get. And on this one we have, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14. Wrong, I'm gonna give you just a 14 because we're not gonna count duplicated comments. So that's 14, 15, 16, 17. There we go, 17. So we're gonna do a d20, and again, if it falls in the numbers, we'll do the winner, and if it doesn't, we'll just re-roll. So we get number 14, which I think was exactly the guy wrong. There you go. I think it's you, my friend. So let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, there you go. So rank, even though you had 2 comments, the first one is the one that counted, and you were lucky enough to get your name in here. So Ruang Animasi 3D, congratulations, you are the 3rd winner of our monthly Fan of the Month. So again, guys, thank you very much for all of the support. This has been an amazing journey. It's a little bit over a year that we started with this. I think when we started, we only were like 13,000 subscribers. So we've definitely doubled the amount, if I remember right, from what we had before. Maybe by the end of the year we can get to 30,000 subscribers. I think it's very possible that we get there. And hey, who knows? Maybe eventually we'll get to 50,000. I think when you get to 50,000, YouTube sends you a little something. I'm not sure if it's at 50,000 or if it's at 100,000. But we'll see. We'll see. The most important thing is that you guys are learning more about 3D. Hopefully, all of the information that we're sharing with you is useful and is helping you in your 3D journey. We'll continue to support the channel. I'll continue to upload stuff. I'll probably have something for you, my friends, tomorrow, Saturday, and then I'll probably take Sunday off, and we'll be back on Monday for more. But that's it. Again, the winners, just to make sure everyone is, or we're all on the same page. It's a Bagus Mars, Varjasin, and Rank Animasi 3D. We're gonna contact you guys based on this information directly to your emails. If you're already on the email list, it should be fairly easy for us to find you. If you're not, then please contact the page directly so that we can get in touch with you, confirm that it's you, and give you your free course. Also, for everyone else, stay tuned on your mailing list or in your email inbox, because you might be the lucky winner of the extra 3 courses for the male subscribers. So the male subscribers will also get a chance. I'm not gonna show it right here, because that's gonna go directly to your emails, but it's going to be an option. And for those of you that want to participate for the big prizes, remember that our contest is open. Also, remember that if you want to practice a little bit of 3D today and you have some free time, we do have our Skillshare promotion available. Hey guys, Abraham here. I just wanted to remind you guys that we upload all of our courses to Skillshare. Skillshare is this amazing site where you can access a ton of different content to learn, improve, and grow as an artist. We have all of our courses available to watch and learn from right now in Skillshare. You can check the description down here, and Skillshare is offering 1 free month trial to their premium membership. With this membership, you're going to be able to access all of our courses and watch and learn all of the amazing things that we cover with all of the softwares. So, what are you waiting for? Check Skillshare down here below. And there we go, guys. Again, thank you from the bottom of my heart. It's been an amazing thing so far. I've enjoyed every second, every video that I've uploaded. It's been great to share all of this with you. I'm amazed with all of the amazing things that you guys have done. So let's go for more. Let's go for more 3D. Let's keep on growing as a big family. Let's keep on learning about 3D, learning about processes, workflows, and everything. And well, that's it for me. Leave me a like, share, comment, subscribe. If you're not subscribed, you can see what you can get. So that's it for now, guys. I'll see you back on the next one. Bye-bye.